Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today I'm going to do a unboxing and review of this TP-Link Deco mesh. This is the S4 version. So let's go ahead and unbox this first. Let's see what we have in the box. So in the box we have our three. You're getting as well a RJ45 cable connection. You're getting as well a installation guide. And you're getting the actual power adapters, all three of them. You have two connections for LAN connections in the back, 1 and 2. What else do we have? We have ventilation areas to remove heat. And there is actually a connection here for you to hook it on the wall. Okay, so you have your actual power adapter plug down here. So with this TP-Link Deco mesh, you're getting coverage up to 5,500 square feet. This is ideal for rooms of 3 to 5 bedroom homes. You can use it for 2 floors. You have the 2.4 gigahertz. You're also getting 5 gigahertz as well. And you have on the back, you have the Ethernet connection as well. So the main reason why I purchased this one is that I was looking for a seamless roaming experience with just one Wi-Fi name. Normally what end up happening is if you're living in a 2 or 3 story house and you have 3 Wi-Fi routers that are separate there. So what would happen is you would go to one floor and it would be another name and you would have to manually change it because automatically on a phone or a tablet it takes time. This one in particular as well works with Alexa. Another good thing about this is that it has parental control. So you have children in your house and they need to study, they need to do their homework. You could easily set a timer on how much time they can actually use their Wi-Fi, or you can actually set it to specific websites for your children, so you don't have to worry about what they are doing online. So that's really cool as well. Setup is actually pretty quick and easy. All you have to use is the Echo app that you can download for Android and for iOS. Depending on which phone you have, it'll work with either one. Another cool thing about this is that this actually works with up to 100 devices. So my overall thoughts on this Deco mesh Wi-Fi router system is if you're looking for a Wi-Fi system so that you would eliminate the amount of routers with different names, and you're looking for parental control and you can connect many devices with good Wi-Fi range, you might want to consider this one by TP-Link. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.